Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can fix Valorant Error Code 46. First, open a web browser on your computer and navigate to the Valorant support website. You can search for Valorant support, hit enter on your keyboard, then go to the first website that is in the results, and you can find articles here that address the common issue and fixes. Once on the page, you'll see different messages explaining that if you've received an error code that's likely a number associated with it. Some errors have simple fixes, while others might be on Valorant's end. If the issue persists, you can also submit a ticket by going to this option right here and click on it. Then select your product, which is Valorant, then the category, which is Riot Vanguard issue or van error message, and then follow the on-screen instructions to submit your ticket and find a solution for the problem. You could also go ahead and check the server status of Valorant. Go ahead and search for Valorant server status and hit enter on your keyboard. You can also go to the down detector or go to the Riot game service status and see if the Valorant is working properly. If not, the fault is on the Valorant's end. So you need to wait for a few hours for it to resolve, and then you can start using Valorant without any error issue. But if not, you can go ahead and open your settings, then go to apps. From here, find a Valorant application, then select uninstall and reinstall it from the official website again. You can also try running the Valorant as an administrator and see if that resolves the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.